In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wix name servers. Understanding where to locate these name servers is essential for anyone managing a website, particularly when it comes to handling domain settings or transferring your domain. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the homepage of your Wix account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If it's your first time here, depending on how many sites you have, make sure to select the correct one associated with the domain whose name servers you wish to find. Next, it's time to locate your website's URL. This is essential because it acts like the digital home address for your site. Right-click or tap your website URL and copy it. This copied URL is what you'll use in the next steps, so make sure you've copied it accurately. Once you have the URL, head over to the website myip.ms. This is an incredibly resourceful tool that provides detailed information about websites beyond just their name servers. When you're on myip.ms, simply paste your website URL into the search bar on the homepage. Take your time to ensure there are no spaces before or after the URL, otherwise it might yield no results or incorrect data. After pasting your URL, you'll want to use the Whois lookup feature. Locate the Whois lookup button and click on it. This process takes you behind the curtain, so to speak, providing a deeper look at various details tied to your domain name, including the server information. Remember to be patient during this step, as the lookup might take a few seconds. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Once the results are displayed, scroll through the page and you'll see the section labeled Name Servers. This is where you'll find the details you're after. The name servers associated with your website will be listed here. Interpreting this data, name servers are like gateways directing internet traffic to your website. They hold critical roles in directing visitors to the correct web space when they type your domain name into a browser. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Wix name servers using myip.ms, giving you the foundational knowledge needed to manage your domain effectively. This process not only helps in domain transfers, but also in troubleshooting connectivity issues with your site. If you're planning more advanced configurations, always double-check your changes or consult a professional. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever necessary.